Yeah. Oh, hey, so quick fix for your PlayStation not connecting. If you got a PlayStation 4, you just did the update and it won't connect anymore to your wireless network, quick fix. Change your wireless router. It's probably really, really old, and because of the updates, who knows what PlayStation Sony did. So change your wireless router, upgrade it to something else that's newer, has better technology. I had this one guy, he had a PlayStation 4, same issue, not connecting to the wireless network. He had a really old Cisco wireless router. I changed it out, put in a Netgear 6250 with the AC beaming forming technology, and it came right up. The PlayStation connected just fine, was working perfectly. Next solution for the people who don't have $130, $120 for a newer wireless router with AC technology, I would recommend getting a power line adapter. These two guys, what goes on is it takes the Ethernet signal and it puts it over the power line in your home. Think about that. It takes your Ethernet signal and puts it over the electric in your home. And what you would do is you would take, there's two of them, you would take one, you plug it in an electric outlet next to your wireless router. You take an Ethernet cable, you plug it in here, and you plug it into your wireless router. You take the other one, you plug it in next to your PlayStation 4. You take an Ethernet cable, plug it into your PlayStation 4, plug it into this guy, boom. You sync them up, you're done. PlayStation 4 hardwired anywhere in your house. Power line adapter, new wireless router. Try it. Definitely works every time. Definitely works every time. Upgrade the equipment and you might just be better off. Have a good one. Questions, comments, leave them below.